Meaning of haute couture.
Haute couture.
Haute couture.
Haute couture.
Haute couture. Haute couture is a French term that translates to high sewing or high dressmaking. It refers to the creation of custom-designed, high-end clothing by skilled artisans and designers. Haute couture garments are made from the highest quality fabrics and feature intricate detailing and unique designs. In order to qualify as haute couture, clothing must be produced by an approved member of the Chambre syndicale de la haute couture in Paris and meet strict requirements for quality, craftsmanship, and exclusivity. The world of haute couture is known for its luxurious and exclusive creations that push the boundaries of fashion.